really changes the entire exhaust note on that M4 that is otherwise stock. All right, so I have the car back on the ground here, obviously, and I just kind of want to walk you through last minute fitment here, because this is where we really get into more of the art than the science. So the exhaust tips should be level all the way across, and keep in mind that the inner exhaust tips are attached to that back box that can tip up and down, where your outer tips are going to be dictated by those main pipes that are coming all the way down. So what you want to do is adjust the centers to the outside exhaust tips. Now, the other thing that you're going to want to take a really close look at, now in this case, the exhaust tips themselves are pushed back pretty far, and this is really a matter of personal choice. But in this particular case, we want to make sure that there's enough clearance off the tail of the car, and that's always something you want to keep in mind as you're working with it directly, right? That you're not going to scuff your exhaust tips or anything else like that. But as we look at the car all the way through, you really want to make sure your fitment is good, everything is set and level. And I have the bands, because you've got those inner and outer bands, right? So you've got the outer bands that connect the main outside pipes back to the main pipes that come down. And then you've got those inner bands that are connecting to the exhaust box itself. So what I do is I've got all of those connections at about 80%, 75, 80% tight, just enough that I still will have some wiggle in them, but they'll hold in place when I let go. So then I can work on all of my fitment to make sure that the tips are level on both sides and you're pressing it up all into place. And once that's in place, then you tighten them down. You check your fitment again, you check your tip alignment. Once that's all done, you're pretty much good to go at that point. And as you can see, as we back up here a little bit again, and we look, fitment looks really, really good. Okay, so next steps after that is just firing the car up, make sure that everything sounds good and all of your connections are tight. Make sure you don't have any loose brackets, you don't have any bolts that are hitting the brace across the middle of the body, or anything else like that, and you're all done. That's all done, and man, that sounds good. Really changes the entire exhaust note on that M4 that is otherwise stock. I am really impressed. As you can tell, this wasn't a hard install. It only takes a few simple tools and some time. I really encourage you to walk through this whole process yourself.